Hello and welcome to my crypto brief. The crypto market is in turmoil right now. Bitcoin's plunged to a low of $60,000, down from its all-time high of $126,000 back in October 2025. Now it's recovered to about $71,000, and meanwhile the total crypto market cap has fallen to $2.39 trillion, down sharply from its peak of $4.3 trillion back in October. While the markets are making these wild moves, here are some key dates to look out for in February 2026. Let's get started. Let's look at what's happened in February so far. On February 2nd, the ISM Manufacturing PMI data was released for January. The PMI unexpectedly rose to 52.6, signaling the first manufacturing expanse in a year and boosting risk settlement. This led to a brief rally in equities and crypto, with Bitcoin climbing 2.2% that day. From the 1st to the 6th of February, large token unlocks for projects like Hyperliquidity, BERA Chain, and XDC added hundreds of millions in new supply, creating short-term selling pressure. While some tokens like Hype held up well, others contributed to broader altcoin weaknesses amid the crash. Yesterday, on the 5th of February, MicroStrategy reported a staggering $12.4 billion net loss due to Bitcoin impairments, missing estimates badly. This triggered a 17% drop in MicroStrategy shares and amplified the crypto sell-off, sending Bitcoin down 14% to 63K. And that brings us up to today, February 6th, where the official jobs report data was delayed due to a government shutdown, but weak ADP private payrolls of just 22,000 jobs hinted at a labour cooling. Markets rebounded on oversold conditions, with Bitcoin surging to $71,000 despite the uncertainty. And here are the next big things to keep your eyes open to for the rest of February. Consensus in Hong Kong is running from the 10th to the 12th of February. This major crypto conference is featuring over 250 speakers and focusing on institutional adoption, DeFi, and AI blockchain integrations. Positive announcements could spark a sentiment rally in Bitcoin and alts, potentially countering the ongoing deleveraging. On the 11th of February, the CPI inflation data is released. A softer than expected print might fuel a risk-on rebound, while a hotter number could extend the crash by reinforcing stagflation fears. On the 12th, Producer Price Index (PPI) data is released. Cooler data could support easing wholesale pressures and boost crypto, but an upside surprise might heighten Fed hawkishness and pressure risk assets further. In mid-February, from around the 11th to the 15th, we have additional token unlocks. Projects like Avalanche, STRK, and Sand face unlocks worth up to $200 million, adding supply in a low liquidity environment. This could dip affected alts 5 to 15%, with broader contagion if macro remains weak, though strong ecosystems may absorb the pressure. On the 16th, markets close for President's Day, and on the 18th to 21st, we have ETHDenver, an Ethereum-focused hackathon and conference which draws 25,000 attendees to discuss scaling, DeFi, and AI integrations. Breakthroughs could lift ETH and Layer 2 sentiment, providing a positive catalyst amid the bearish backdrop. And finally, on the 26th of February, the Fed's preferred gauge, PCE Price Index data, is released. A soft reading might ignite an end-of-month rally, while hotter data could deepen the downturn by dashing rate cut hopes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and drop a comment below. Do you think a rebound is on the cards? Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big move. See you in the next video.